Hello, you're welcome to another video at Another Tech, and thank you for joining me. In this one, I'm going to show you quickly this very powerful tool that Adobe just released to the public. It's awesome, actually. Listen to this. Listen to this.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio, yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
Now listen to this. Listen to this one. Watch my screen. Notice that I'm turning on the enhanced speech here. Now listen to this.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to record audio, yet with enhanced speech, all of the background noise and echo is gone, as if I recorded this in a professional studio.
Yeah, so you can see the obvious difference between these two audio. One is very noisy with the whole background noise and all, while the second one is pretty clear, as if it was recorded in a studio. Now, this is what this video is about. This is a tool provided by Adobe. Adobe Podcasts is still in beta, but is actually available for use by the public and is totally free. All you need to do is actually to have an Adobe account, which you can open freely. You can use your email to sign up, or you can use your Google account to sign up. So once you do that, you come over here. So you can see the website address here, podcast.adobe.com/enhance. So, or you just go to podcast.adobe.com. And when you come here, you see these two tools, enhanced speech, and then you see mic check. This is basically two products being provided by Adobe for use by you, by the public. So if you can jump on this while it's still free, awesome. I've tried it out, and we are going to actually test it out now. So first of all, let me go out of here. Let me sign out. So this is how it is when you come to the website. So you must sign up or sign in. So if you have an Adobe account previously, no problem, just go ahead and log in or sign in. But if you don't, you have to sign up, right? You click on sign up, and then you sign up with your Gmail, Facebook, Apple account, or email address, and then you'll be able to proceed. But because I have an an Adobe account already, I'm just going to sign in. So I'm going to click continue with Google. I'm going to choose my Google account. And once I choose that, allow this to load up. Okay, I'm signed in now. So you can see I have two tools here. I can switch to any of these two, but what I'm interested in is this one. All right, so this is the audio I played earlier. So I want to upload an audio I recorded previously here now. So let's go ahead and play that audio first of all. Then we are going to enhance it so that you see what this tool is all about. Let's do that. So all you have to do is drag and drop, or you click on this to upload. All right, so but I have a location where I already stored the recording. I used my Microsoft, that's Windows recorder, audio recorder, to record what I want already. So let me just play this so you listen to it in a raw format. I'm trying to get my mic off my neck. Okay, yeah, good. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Recording this for the use of Adobe Enhanced Recordings for free. Trying to see how good Adobe can edit this. Thank you. All right, so that's the audio. I'm going to just navigate to the folder where I saved it. It's an MP3 file. So notice that this accepts just MP3 and WAV files. So if you have other forms of audio, you may need to convert it to MP3 or WAV files. So I'm just going to drag this. All right, and then you can see pasting it here, it's turning here to blue. If this was a different format of audio, it won't turn to that color, it will be rejected. All right, so I'm just gonna go back and I'm going to drag this one that is MP3 and I'm going to drop it. Now it's enhancing. You can see it's writing, it's enhancing the audio. This is going to take about a minute or two, all right, before it completes. So let's just wait and see. Okay, because the audio is not long, so naturally, as should be expected, if the audio is actually lengthy, maybe it's an hour long audio or 30 minutes, of course this is going to take more time, because of course as a software developer I know that behind the scenes what's happening is that there's a lot of processes going on that is enhancing the audio, the speech, and those things will take a while, and they are running on the cloud, not basically on your local machine. So even if you have a big processing power on your local device, it might not really affect the speed of this, because you are working on their own machine, because this is actually happening on the cloud. It's not a downloaded software, it's a web app. So let's go ahead and play this here with the enhanced turned on and see how it goes.
It's testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 recording this.
Oops, I got some glitches there. Let me turn this off. Play it again. For the use of Adobe enhanced recordings for free, trying to see how. So this is without the enhancement. So let me turn on the enhancement again and play this again.
Thank you. It's testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 recording this for the use of Adobe enhanced recordings for free, trying to see how good Adobe can edit this. Thank you.
So guys, I really think that's good. That's good. Like, this is something that normally if you are editing the video, you probably drag this to Adobe Audition and whatever other software you want to use to try to enhance this audio. Or if you're using Premiere Pro, for instance, there it has its own built-in enhancement, audio enhancement that you have to start tinkering with. But this is mainly built for podcasters. So even if you're outside, you record stuff with your cheap mic or wherever, you can come here, paste it up, and then once you're done, you can go ahead and download your audio. You can see I'm already downloading my stuff here. So I've downloaded it to my local machine, and I'm just gonna play that so you see.
It's testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 recording this for the use of Adobe enhanced recordings for free, trying to see how good Adobe can edit this. Thank you. It's testing 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 recording this for the.
So guys, I think this is quite good. So give it a try and let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and do subscribe to the channel. Do subscribe to the channel for more tech stuff. And of course, drop a comment, tell me what you feel, like the video and share, and follow me on social media at Anatu Tech, both on Instagram and on Twitter and other social media handles. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and see you on another one.